Hi, my name is Nicholas. I currently attend Harmony School of Ingenuity. My project name is called Math Game. To do my project, you will need versatile Algebra 1 assignment book, a pen or pencil, and the answer case. In my PBL project, I will create a math game using linear functions and other topics like functional relationships and properties of functions. There will be a winning pattern based on your answers. If you have all of them correct, you will have the same pattern as the answer key. I will be able to apply my learned skills in order to win or lose. The main purpose of my math game is to allow the observer to more sufficiently analyze mathematical components of the world in a more complex and accurate way. For my social studies component, I wrote an essay about history connection. To read my essay, please visit my website. For my ALA component, I wrote a journal. To read my journal, please visit my website. Thanks for watching.